Hi, Silly Lee James here, physiotherapist, yoga teacher and designer of the Buttafly. And I'm going to show you how you can use the Buttafly to help get into a bridge pose or stay in bridge pose. Now, traditionally when I would go to yoga, we would use a regular yoga block or a yoga brick here. And what we would do is we would place it directly under the sacrum, the triangular bone at the base of the spine. Now, for anyone who knows my history, I fractured that part of my spine, which is how I came to design the Buttafly in the first place. And so this was one of the most uncomfortable things I could do. And here was this wonderful pose that was so nice, and yet I couldn't stay up with a brick underneath my sacrum. So this is a way that you can use the Buttafly to get support in bridge pose, but you can be maybe more comfortable. So I'm going to demonstrate it in two ways. First of all, I'm going to use the standard Buttafly. So from here, I'm going to take the standard Buttafly so that I can read the logo. The high side is going towards me, and just lift myself up into a low bridge and bring the Buttafly right up underneath the base of my spine there. This is very different to the butterfly effect that we achieve by placing the standard Buttafly below the sacrum, so that the sacrum is offloaded. So now I'm not in a very high bridge now, but for some people that will feel enough. And I'm still getting a little bit of a lift there of the chest compared to the throat. So there are lots of benefits to be had by even with this low bridge here. And that may be sufficient for some people. And certainly if you've got any kind of a vertigo, this may just be absolutely all you can cope with. So I'm going to come away from that one now, and I'm going to bring in the tall Buttafly. So the tall Buttafly is the height of two regular yoga blocks at the front edge, obviously a little bit higher at the back because it's got the sloping surface. So once again, I'm going to come into my bridge pose and bring the Buttafly right up underneath my sacrum. So I've got the support that I need there. And you can see I've come into really quite a nice bridge pose, but I can rest while I'm here, which is a dream. I like to be able to do this. And it means I get all the benefits of having the baroreflex stimulated in the neck. So bringing down my blood pressure there, and very relaxing. And if you can't hear it already, my voice will slow in this position, which is a consequence of just everything in the system just calming down. So this feels really nice. Now, if you still want to take this a little bit taller, then what you can do is you can be using the tall Buttafly together with a flat one. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. I need to come out of this one very slowly, let myself come down. So the flat Buttafly is 5 centimeters at the front edge. So again, the height of a regular yoga block. So what I've now got is the equivalent of 3 regular yoga blocks. I'm going to come back up into a bridge, quite high bridge now. And this would be a similar height probably to having a brick. We'll make a comparison in a moment. And then lower myself back down again. You can see now I've come into a nice high bridge, but I've got comfortable support under the base of my spine. And quite frankly, I could stay here all day. I'd be quite happy. It's very, very different to having a brick underneath my sacrum. And then to come down, I may want to come down step by step rather than just coming down the whole way. So if I show you what this looks like on the spine, what we're doing is we're bringing the butterfly up. So that the base of the spine is resting on the butterfly there, and hopefully giving more comfortable support than using a brick underneath the sacrum. So you're actually spreading the weight across the pelvis at the back rather than just having a brick pressing directly into your sacrum. So that's how I use the butterfly for bridge pose. Please do like and subscribe my channel and leave your comments below if you've got any questions. I will certainly do my best to get back to you, and we'll see you next time.